You're watching Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with Harbour ISP. Harbour ISP, an in-depth review for Australian internet users. In this video, we'll take a comprehensive look at Harbour ISP, an Australian internet provider dedicated to providing dependable connectivity with a personalised approach. Harbour ISP offers a range of internet solutions tailored for various users, from residential customers to businesses, encompassing NBN fixed wireless, satellite, and fibre connections. Whether you're a family seeking reliable home internet or a business requiring consistently high-speed connectivity, Harbour ISP aims to provide a fitting solution. Their service offerings cater to a wide spectrum of needs, encompassing everything from basic home internet packages to robust enterprise-grade connections. A key strength of Harbour ISP lies in its focus on regional and rural areas of Australia. They offer robust internet solutions through NBN Sky Muster and satellite plans, bringing reliable connectivity to areas where other providers may struggle. This dedication to regional Australia makes them a valuable option for those outside major metropolitan centres. Harbour ISP prioritises customer-centric service. As an Australian-owned company, they offer local customer support, a significant advantage for those who prefer direct communication and assistance from someone familiar with the specific challenges of their region. They also offer flexible contract options, including no lock-in plans, providing customers with the freedom to choose a service without the constraint of long-term commitments. For residential customers, Harbour ISP offers competitive NBN plans with unlimited data options across various speed tiers, including standard, fast, and superfast options. Their Sky Muster and Sky Muster Plus satellite plans, specifically designed for remote households, offer unmetered data for essential online activities such as browsing and email. These plans are designed to keep you connected even in the most remote parts of the country. Business customers can also take advantage of tailored solutions, including higher speed options and dedicated customer support. These customized plans ensure businesses have the connectivity required for smooth operation. One potential drawback of Harbour ISP's satellite plans, common to satellite internet services in general, is higher latency due to the inherent nature of the technology. However, Harbour ISP mitigates this by emphasizing excellent reliability and service quality, especially in regions where other providers may be less consistent. Their focus is on providing a stable and dependable connection, even in challenging environments. In summary, Harbour ISP is a versatile and customer-focused internet provider committed to serving rural and remote communities in Australia. Their competitive pricing, flexible plan options, and dedicated customer support make them a compelling choice for both families and businesses. For more in-depth information and to determine if Harbour ISP is the right provider for you, check out the links in the description below.